Hey yo, how are you doing, guys? How are you, traders? I'm so excited to be here with you and explain a good strategy which is suitable to have a nicest or sniper entry in boom and crash, volatility, or step index. Let me show you the master strategy which you will earn a huge income if you follow step by step. Come on and do this with me. So if you're interested in this strategy and hope you find it, please subscribe and also engage the bell in order to get all the updates which we upload in every day. Thank you, guys. I'm going to show you snipe entry. When you want to do a boom and crash, let us talk about another time. Now I'm going to show you volatility index. Okay, volatility index is a very volatile asset which you will almost get a more profit and then you may lose it same. So if you know how you can deal with it, and if you have a strategy which is suitable to make you money faster and faster, then I hope you are the one who is always winning. Thank you, guys. Let me show you. Okay, I hope you need this setup. You need this setup in order to get the way I am explaining. If you need the setup, please come join in our Telegram, Bullshot Camp, and all those tools are free for you. So welcome, and I hope you're helpful with us. So let me select Volatility 75. In Volatility 75, as a scalping, you must select 1 minute or 5 minutes. Okay, 1 minute or 5 minutes. Okay. After you get the setup, I hope you will probably make a huge money. In here, look what is going on this candle over there, and come on here. You see here, and you see here. How many confirmations do you have right now? You have 3 confirmations, which will give you a confidence in order to have your entry. So this is a sniper entry, and look here what's going on here. Above there you have reversal in downtrend, as a sell. Come here. What do you have? You have your entry, and down to there you have your entry. So all those positions you need to have your entries. And let me show you step index. Cool. I have my step index here, the right entry, which I missed it. I'm sorry, I missed my right entry over there. You see my right entry over there. So when it was there, the red moving average always tells me when there is cross, when all the other indicators like the M3, M5, and M2, when they cross to the red moving average, so there is where I always take my entries. So in here, this candle, there is where I can have my entries. There is where I can have my entries over and over. When I got this one, I always like to have my entries over there. So as you see, the entries occur when I got in RSA 6 and RSA 14 over here. There is my entry. So at that position is where I could have my entries. So this strategy works very well. So now I'm using my demo account where I always like to show you and make a testy of this strategy. But before you go on, so you need to have the setup and then I will make continually videos where you can have your entries though. So you can use all the volatilities, not only step index, okay, all, even boom and crash. Boom and crash. There's how you can recognize your entries for a smaller bullback. Okay, this is a bullback, because always check the trend. If you check the trend, then you will get the right momentum, the right signal, the right direction. So, but before you place a position, check M5 or M15 as scalping. But the whole or the general direction, you must look at H4 and H1. I mean time frame or in time interval as a H4. So you see in H4 that there is, okay, let us see, there is still consolidating. Okay, we can say some ranging over here in H4, because the price is still over between here and here. Okay, as we see, the price is between here and here. Sorry. Okay, the price is still over here. Over here. Okay, it's between there. So in a day we can see that the price is between there. So the price is between over there. So as a resistance or support between there. So we have to have our entries not all within here, or we have to not take our entries in here as swing trade, but in scalping. The confirmation always happens in H1 and also in M30, because when the price reaches, as the RSI 14 tells us, when the price reaches 90, we have the sell. Whenever the price always reaches level 90, so there shall be a reversal. It will come down. Look over here. Okay, look over here. There is where we can have our entries, because over there the price comes down, and over here the price going up. In here we can see that we have a red line. That red line is M50. That M50 is exponential, and I use this exponential moving average to have the signal. So this moving average, as I use it, my knowledge and my experience, how I know the market feeds as a live movement or the price action, this moving average always tells me when there is a signal, when I always get a signal for entries. In order to have this setup, keep in touch with me on Telegram, WhatsApp, or wherever you can get to contact with me. So over here you can see I have my entry over here and I have my entry over here. When the price reaches near 10 or 9, so there is where I can get always my buying position. Okay, look over here. Okay, you see here the price is now over there. So let me show you another buy entry. Here you can see here I have my buy entry over here. So you see the market, how the price moves up. Okay, let me show you another buy entry. You see here I got a buy entry here. So the price goes up. So let me show you another entry. There is consolidation here over here where you can see all the moving averages, they do not move, so higher or lower. So when there is like this time, it's the time almost in new traders they lose their money in this position or in this zone. At this level of this price action, you will lose your money if you don't take attention with what you are doing on this market. And you know that volatility always moves fast, so it volatiles. So take care to take a position like this area. So in here you see how I take my buy entry over here, and the price reaches over there. When the price reaches over here, so it is my selling position. So as you see, the strategy is so clear. So do you want to have your TB or take profit time, or how to take trading? So you need to pay more time in order to practice with what I'm saying. No problem, no matter if you are new or not. If you learn this strategy, I hope you will in the most profitable things. I am just going to show everybody for free. Come on, enjoy our Telegram. Thank you.